Do you have 6 fingers?
No?
Well, if you did, you would be exhibiting the condition polydactyly. It was discovered in 1864 by Tyler Stephen Hayden, and the condition is having more than 5 fingers or toes. This condition, or more accurately, the trait of this condition, is the topic of my video. My name is Femio Belladon, and this is a science lesson.
So polydactyly, so what?
Well, this might surprise you, but polydactyly is actually the dominant trait. This means that if one of your parents has 1 or 2 capital P traits, that you're going to have polydactyly. Now, I bet the question on your mind is, if having polydactyly is the dominant trait, why do so many people only have 5 fingers?
Exactly, how'd you know?
I'm just that smart of a guy. Well, the answer to this question is that just because it's the dominant trait doesn't mean that more people in the population have it. What I mean is there are more people in the world with the little p trait, which leads to more people having 5 fingers over 6.
Wait, so if it's dominant, how did it become rare?
The reason why polydactyly might have become a rare occurrence is even though it's the dominant trait, there are certain things that have made it rare. One of them that might have happened is that there might have been an advantage to having 5 fingers over 6. The other, and more likely, is that it was just pure luck. And by pure luck, I mean one of 2 things. The first thing being that there was this strand of time with people with the big P, little p allele were giving the little p to their children. And so there was a strand of time where there were just a bunch of people who ended up having little p, little p.
Okay.
Or the more likely option that there was a long time ago where humans were eradicated, not they're gone. And, well, when this happened, the people who were left to repopulate the earth either had big P, little p, or what most people had, little p, little p. So that led people with, that left more people on earth with having 5 fingers.
So if people, right now, some people have big P, big P, big P, little p, how come they haven't made the rest of us have 6 fingers?
That's a great question, which can be answered with my handy chart. So, as my chart shows, there are 12 people. Well, see, like I said, the trait is a P, or a big P or a little p, but we only have D's for this, so just relax, it's just a diagram.
Okay.
So, there are 12 people here, and one of them has polydactyly, that making the ratio of people who have polydactyly to people who have 5 fingers 1 to 11. In real life, the actual ratio is 1 to 500, but like I said, it's just a diagram. We'll live. So, if each of these people get married and have 4 children, the 4 children, of course, being the possibilities of children they could have using the Punnett square, the ratio ends up being 2 in 24.
Oh.
And what happens when you reduce 2 in 24? You get 1 in 12.
That's true.
The ratio did not change. So I hope I explained why, even though 6 fingers is dominant, it is rare. This is Femio Belladon, wishing you a great summer.